subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have a screen rotation problem on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing you need to try, just swipe and just check if you didn't turn on this function. So you can see it, portrait orientation lock on. So now we can't use our phone in landscape, so it won't assess you to rotate your screen. So this thing you need to check, and if it doesn't help you, if you just disable this option, so you can also just try to go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find display and brightness, so just open it. Now just scroll down, just tap on view, and here you need to check if you choose standard view, because if you use zoomed, it won't use your iPhone in landscape view, so you could have problems with rotation on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also just try another way. So what you can try, just go to back, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so just try to update your phone. So you can also just go to the general again, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here download and install, just tap on it and just wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.